The bracelet matches a set.
Hey guys, so I know y'all saw me when I did my nails today. I did it in pink. My toes are pink as well. Oh my god. Y'all, it's day 3 of the teeth extraction, and oh my god, it's hurt. I think I'm gonna take a pain tablet before I leave out, so I won't be drinking, obviously. But let's get into the fit quickly. I'm wearing this Fashion Over dress. I'm wearing the Amazon kitten heels that I show you guys, and my Anne Klein bag that I had purchased from Nordstrom Rack a couple years ago. So I'm heading out to concert type of vibe. I don't remember where I'm going, but I'm going with Empress. Oh, so I'm knowing. Oh, she's calling me. All right, give me 1 second, guys. It's outside, so yeah. So dress, all black, everything. I did like straightening my hair. I'm just gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do with it next week. But yeah, this is a fit. And yeah, like I told you, it's like a concert. Yeah, something along that line. But I'll see you guys when I'm there. We're gonna head inside, so let's see what the vibe is like. Say hey guys. Oh god, excuse me. All right, anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm inside. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. So the lighting ain't good, but just in the restroom for a restroom break. The person who Empress and I came to support, he just came off. His name is Trey. I'm gonna put his YouTube information. You guys can follow him. His music is really good, natural, cultural, all of that. And yeah, we're just listening to somebody else. I don't remember his name, but yeah, but it's a good vibe. At Camilla's Kitchen. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna head back outside and finish listening. So far it's 2:11 p.m. in the night, but it's a Friday night, which I don't normally go out, but had to come and support the artists.
Make you know say anything when you do, them must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do so I'm so beautiful, and at night, so amazing to see you light on top of the well view is so wonderful, and at night, so amazing to see you light.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday night, and let's talk about last night. Last night was so good. Empress and I went to the thing up the hill, so we supported one of our friends who is an artist. He's pretty talented, so like I said, I'll add his YouTube information. You guys can follow him, listen to his music, and give him support. It was a pretty good vibe last night, so thanks girl. We had a great night last night. So tonight, obviously I'm still not feeling well. I am in pain, terrible pain from Wednesday I did the extractions up until today, Saturday. I am still in pain, but I have to go tonight again and support my friend Sue with her games night at the lot. So that is why I'm all dressed. Like I haven't, I think in probably a few vlogs ago I told you guys I haven't been very supportive of going to her games night. I haven't been there often to support her, so I'm dragging myself out tonight again to do that. I just took 2 Panadol, so hopefully that kind of ease the pain for tonight. Right now I'm feeling pain on this side. Last night while I was sleeping after 2 a.m. I was in agony, crying for this side. Like they're taking turns, okay? They are taking turns. If it's not the left side, it's the right side. If it's not the top it's the bottom. Like they're taking turns, and then when it's ready, all of the areas are hurting. But yeah, we're off to that games night. I'm gonna take you guys just a tiny bit with me, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. I feel to dress up. I did do my makeup and all of that. Anyways, how are you guys besides me crying about my tooth? Drop a comment down below and let me know how you guys are doing. Let's go. You can still taste the feeling in my mouth, y'all. Hey guys, so happy Wednesday. We are having a smoothie. I got this smoothie from Refresher Smoothie. They are at the gas station between Malines and Boulevard. If you know those Texaco gas station, it was Texaco and the other, I don't even know, but I'll put their Instagram page below. I'm supporting a fellow local business. She's a YouTuber, so I love it. With smoothie, what may I drink? I think I have strawberry, peach, mango, and something else. It's $1,000 per smoothie, and they do have different options. So definitely go ahead and support them if you're in Jamaica, if you're in Kingston. Yeah, support. So today I didn't really vlog. It was supposed to be short form content for today, so I went and picked up my packages. Went to the supermarket and grabbed me some smoothie for lunch. So I didn't vlog today, but I wanted to just jump in because I haven't picked up the camera for probably like a week now, but we have videos upcoming, don't worry. By the way, this weekend it's gonna be crazy. You're all gonna get a crazy vlog because this Saturday I have Japan is having a festival. I'm gonna go to that. Then after that, the Chinese has their food market in the night, and then the third place I'm gonna go is my friend's games night. So this Saturday I am going to be on the road, y'all, but I'm so excited. Japan, the Japanese ambassador, they're keeping their festival. Chinese is keeping their food market. Like, this weekend is such a vibe. It's such a cultural weekend. By the way, if y'all haven't followed me on TikTok, please do so. Follow me on Instagram too. I did do a video about those two events, so then I'll alert people, let them know, hey, these events are keeping. You should go support, okay? But anyways, we're gonna head inside, finish my smoothie, finish work, and then we're gonna relax. I do have class for today. Class has literally the classes are set up per module. So I've finished the first module, and then next week we're gonna start the second module for classes. So to say if I've learned anything for the past week and a half, guys, not me checking my video just now before I came out of the car and realized that my space there's no more space on my phone. I've been chatting away in this car and the video end abrupt because no space. It's okay. We do have a few videos I need to take off because I've been vlogging in advance. So I think I have 2 videos on my phone that I really need to export to my computer, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, we're just gonna end it here because I don't want to say no more space, because I literally deleted, in order for me to get space while I'm videoing, I delete TikTok, YouTube, all of those apps, Anyways, talk to you guys in another day, on another day, in another day, whatever it means. And by the way, I know when the attack is supposed to can't realize that the girl do have no teeth, so this came out. So I know some kind of look weird, and I know I'm talking weird, but the girl don't have teeth in some place. So that's how it goes. Oh my god, I feel old. I feel really old. Like no teeth.